Let's face it, no one goes into their marriage planning on ending in divorce. And we know that this can be a really difficult time, especially around your finances, as this is a huge part of your life and divorce has a great impact on it. There are a few steps that we recommend taking and keeping in mind during this process. First, be prepared to gather a great amount of documentation about your finances. Our clients find that this is the most that they've ever had to look into their finances in the documentation, and this can be overwhelming. So take this in bits and pieces, and it tends to be a little bit less overwhelming. Secondly, understand what you own and what you owe in debts. A good way to do this would be to run a recent credit report. Third, and also connected with that, is to understand what bills are owed and when. You want to make sure that neither you or your spouse can let a bill slip through the cracks during this time. Fourth, work to set a monthly budget that balances your needs during this time. Whether you and your spouse are going to stay in the house and split the finances, or if you're going to separate. Those budgets will look differently and you need to plan accordingly.